Hey everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care here in Springfield, Illinois, and today I'm super excited to talk about our 50% off first round promotion that will be running here for just a short time, so you want to make sure you don't miss out on it. So I'm going to go over those things, what's kind of included, some of the areas you can save, and some of the benefits. So our 50% off first round is a big thing at the beginning of the year to incentivize people, one, to get the first round of their lawn treatment, perimeter pest, or bed maintenance taken care of early. That first round is a very, very important round because a lot of times it's laying the groundwork for the rest of the applications. When you look at bed maintenance and your lawn application, those specifically are using pre-emergent, which means it needs to be put out early and it needs to be activated by water, whether that be from melting snow, whether that be from dew, whether that be from rain. It needs a certain amount to become active to prevent the weed seeds from germinating that are problematic, whether that be in your landscape bed or whether that be in your lawn as well. And one of the main culprits in your lawn that we're trying to prevent with that first round is crabgrass. That's why when you see it in a box store, it's always listed crabgrass preventer. That's what everybody understands, but what that application is a pre-emergent application, typically of a chemical like Stonewall or a chemical like Dimension. And so very, very important to get out early. Secondly, we want you to be able to save money on this first round and be able to take advantage of that because it is so important. So that's one of the other huge benefits is the opportunity to save money on such a crucial round, and we want to offer that up to all new people joining, and so they can really make sure they have the most beautiful lawn or the most beautiful landscape beds possible by taking advantage of that first round. Now finally, the thing that I do like to talk about that we don't talk about enough with all of our services that are reoccurring, there are no contracts, there are no commitments. We want to make sure you are happy, but we're also not going to chain you in a prison of where you have to do this no matter what. So we would love to have you join the family of people using Scooters Lawn Care, get to save that amount of money, see what the service is like, and utilize that 50% off first round. And if there's ever an issue, one, we stand behind our service and we want to make sure it's great with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. And two, there are no commitments and no contracts. So if you ever want to go a different way, we also understand that as well, because ultimately we want to make this as safe as possible for everyone to do business with us without the fears of commitments and things and what am I getting myself into. We want to remove all of that because I understand how frustrating that can be as a consumer, as someone wanting a service, wondering like, man, what am I getting into now? So we want to save you from that while also giving you some savings and creating a beautiful lawn, a beautiful landscape, or keeping some of the bugs out of your house.